Hello students and viewers, welcome back to my channel AV Samarpan, a journey of life science. Myself Vikash Kumar. In this video, we shall start and discuss a chapter of class 10th life process. So, let's come to start this chapter. Now, if we are talking about the life process, the first name comes life. What is the meaning of life here? There is no definition of the life exactly. So, there are some characters because there are no actual definition of life and living beings. So, some characters are here, and on the basis of sub characters, we can define something is living and something is non-living. So, what is the life? Life is cell-based, self-regulated, complex system of molecules which perform chemical reactions reactions all the time that leads to its maintenance, growth, and reproduction. That means we can say if something has life, the chemical reactions goes continuously all the time. That means when we are sleeping or when we are awake. So there are different characters of living things, like that of movement, like that of reproduction, like that of excretion, nutrition. So this is the actually life, and then some characters which define the living creature, in which movement is the defined criterion of living organism. So let's come to know or discuss about movement. Movement is represented by living creatures and non-living creatures cannot move themselves. So we can see car is moving, but something is doing by the engines, so it moves. But living creatures move, and if we study about the movement, the first, what is the meaning of movement? Changes the position is called movement. So that movement is divided into types: visible movement, and invisible movement. Now let's come to know about it. Visual movements are the movements which can be seen by the eyes or detected by the sense organs. So, visible movements are divided into category again. The first one is locomotion and the second one is movement of the parts of the body. So, locomotion is a type of visible movement in which whole body of an organism move from one place to another. For example, we are walking. This time I change my position. This is the movement which can be seen. Other examples of it are running by a dog, flying by a bird, also swimming by fish. So that these are the type of locomotion or visible movements. The other movements, that is the movement of the parts of the body, in which whole body cannot move from one place to another. Only parts are moving. We have seen a cattle or a cow, buffalo during shaving the cut. The body is not moving from one place to another, but lips are moving. In the same way, this time I am present on the same place, but my lips, my hand is moving. This is the movement of body parts in which whole body is not moving from one place to another place. So the other example of visible movements are also, or the movement of the parts, also like that of heartbeat, in which we can't move from one place to another place, but it is working. Also breathing, that occurs continuously when we are sleeping, also that time. So next one is invisible movement. This type of movement cannot be detected by our eyes or by the sense organs. So if we think about the visible movement is not the criterion of actual life or living organism, because plants cannot move from one place to other. They are present at the same place, but the movement of body parts represented by them. For example, we have seen movement of the head of sunflower plant, or sunflower moves from east to west according to the direction of the movement of sun. Also, the movement of the parts in very quickly represented by the plant Mimosa pudica. In Hindi that is also called chui mui. So this is not the actual criteria, but invisible movement which occurs in the body continuously all the time is the real criterion of movement or living organism. So what is the meaning of it? Movement of the molecules from the outside to inside. We know always some nutrients move inside the cell, and when waste product is prepared inside it, it moves outside the cell. We can't feel it, we can't see it, we can't sense it, but it occurs continuously. So This is the actual movement and this is the invisible movement that the criterion of living organism. That is the criterion of living. There are also a lot of criteria which define the living organism, like that of respiration, like that of excretion, like that of reproduction. But all are under life process. So next topic is life process. What is the meaning of a life process? If we know that life is something, the process which occurs continuously, that means all the actions, all the activities, all the actions and activities which occurs continuously in the body, that maintains the living organism. The process which are important for an organism that helps in the survival is known as a life process, which occurs continuously. Even when we are sleeping and we are awake. This process, that means life process, maintains the working, growth and others process of the body. It is also called maintenance process. So life process also known as maintenance process. Maintenance process. For example, nutrition. For example, respiration. For example, excretion. For example, transportation. We shall discuss all the life process in this chapter in different videos. So these are maintenance process. Now, the process nutrition maintains all the nutrients, components and things that provides energy. Respiration is the process in which we get energy. Excretion is the removal of waste products and transportation is the movement of the useful and harmful things from one place to another place. So next topic we shall discuss in next videos. Keep watching and thanks to watch this video. If you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like.